Dear students, welcome you all for the session on computation of total income. So in this session, I am going to work out one problem on total income, which includes donations, which includes other deductions from ATC to ATU, and also which includes other sources of income. So let's go straight away to the problem. So Mr. Kiran's gross total income is 10,50,000, which includes long-term capital gain 1 lakh, interest on education loan repaid 16,000 and accrued interest on NSC 10,000. So he made the following donations during the previous year. So Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund, then National Foundation for Communal Harmony, National Blood Transfusion Council, then National Children's Fund, Notified Church at Goa, then Government Hospital for Building Expansion, then Family Planning Association of India, then Recognized Political Party, then Scholarship to Poor Students. Then during the year he paid 20,000 as medical insurance premium. Then compute the total income of Mr. Kiran. So this question has come from Bangalore University in 2014, but we will work out as per the provisions of financial year 1920. So let's straight away work out the problem. Okay, so particulars, then amount. Let us write down the gross total income. So what is the gross total income? So it should be at the last column. So what is the gross total income in this problem? So gross total income is 10,50,000. So once the gross total income is arrived, then what we have to give is less deductions. So deduction under section 80. So there will be so many deductions, but we have to see how many deductions are eligible for donations. Okay, so let's see how many deductions are eligible in the problem. Let's go to the problem. So Mr. Kiran's gross total income is 10,50,000, which includes long-term capital gain, okay, which is already included in gross total income, so no worry. Then interest on education loan repaid. So he has paid interest on education loan. So this is a payment that he has made. So there is a deduction for this under section 80E, right? Then accrued interest on NSC. So there is a accrued interest on NSC which is eligible for deduction under section 80C. So let us write. So 80C first one. So that is interest accrued interest on NSC. So what is the amount? That is 10,000. Then let's go to the problem again. So we have 80E. Before that, let's see whether there is any other deductions. This is 80G, all donations. Then during the year he paid 20,000 as medical insurance premium. So that means it can be eligible for deduction under section 80G, medical insurance premium. Okay. So next deduction is 80D. That is medical insurance. What is the amount he has paid? 20,000. So entire 20,000 is eligible for deduction because the maximum limit is 25,000. So next, as we discussed, 80E, that is educational interest on educational loan. Okay, what is the amount that he has paid towards educational loan is 16,000. So as given in the problem. Then there are no other deduction. Let's go to the fourth one, that is 80G. There is another deduction, remember, 80GGC, which follows 80G. So this is donations. So now let us compute donations, right? Okay, so before computation of donations, we should know there are different limit donations, without limit and with limits. Let's go to the without limit donations. So what are the without limit donations? So first one, so as given in the problem, Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund. So what is the limit? Without limit, but the rate of donation is how much here? Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund is always, it is 50%. Remember, it's 50%. So 50% of 20,000. So what is the donation amount here? Is 20,000. So 50% into 20,000. So it is 10,000. Okay. Then there is another donation. National Children's Fund. National Children's Fund. So what is the rate here? Rate is 100%. Sorry. So 100% means what is the amount given? It is 8,000. Entire 8,000 is eligible. Then there is National Foundation for Communal Harmony. So what is the rate here? Again it is 100%. So what is the amount paid? 15,000. So you should know what are the donation which are 100%, what are the donation which are 50% without limit. Then National Blood Transfusion Council. Again here it is also 100%. So if you could remember what are the 50% without limit donation, then it is easy to remember 100% donation. So in 50% there are only 5. Okay, one is Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund. Then you have to remember all the Prime Ministers, Nehru, Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi. Then it is easy to remember for you. Okay, so here the donation given is 9,000. So total under total of right A. Okay, it's how much? So 35, 25 plus 9, 34, 34 plus 8. So it is 42,000. Okay, so total eligible donations will considered as A here. Then with limit donations. So with limit means there is a limit. With limit donations. So under that first one, which is the first one, 100%, but here there is a limit, so we cannot directly give, so we have to calculate. So let us write all the donations. Notified church. Okay, before that let us discuss regarding the donations. So I have not discussed. See, Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund, it's without limit, 50% we have given. The National Foundation for Communal Harmony, it is 15,000, so it is 100% eligible. The National Blood Transfusion Council, again it is 100% without limit. Then National Children's Fund, again it is 100% without limit. The notified church, see, it is a donation given to a notified church, notified temple, so it is eligible under with limit donation, but only 50%. See, in 100% there are only 2 donations in with limit. That is, one is family planning, then any sports or any development association which promotes sports. Okay, only 2. Then government hospital for building expansion. So this is again charitable purpose, 50% with limit. Then Family Planning Association of India. So here you can claim 100% provided there is a limit. Limit is there. So if there is no limit, you cannot claim. Then recognized political party, yes, this is a donation which is eligible under section 80 GGC. Then scholarship to poor students, it's a scholarship given, so donation in kind, it cannot be a donation. So let us write the with limit donation, notified church. So how much is the donation? So donation is, I think, around 18,000. So here we have to calculate again since there is a limit. Then next one was government hospital. So again here it is 15,000. Then there is, this is the last one, family planning. So what is the donation for family planning? It is 12,000. Sorry, 12,000. So total donation is eligible is how much? Okay, see there is no this here, so we'll write total. So total of B is it is 45,000. So or see here what is important, we cannot write here B because it's not ultimate total, or adjusted 10% of adjusted total income. Sorry, or so there is a limit. So what is that limit? 10% of adjusted total income, whichever is less. Okay, either this or this. So in this, whichever is less. Okay, so whichever is less is eligible. Okay, so let us calculate that. Okay, let us calculate adjusted total income. So adjusted total income is equal to gross total income. What is the gross total income? 10,50,000 as we have written, minus all the long term capital gain, short term capital gain. So here long term capital is there, it's given in the problem, plus no short term capital gain, then deduction from ATC to ATU except ATG. So what are the deductions? So ATC 10,000 plus then ATD 20,000 plus then ATE there is 16,000 plus then one thing you have to remember, it's given at the end ATGGC, that is also qualifying deduction. So total it. So how much it will come? Okay, it's 8,99,000, right? You can calculate. So 8,99,000, sorry, into 10%. So you have to take only 10%. So that is 89,900. So whichever is less, which is less, 45,000 or, so it's clearly given 10% of adjusted total income or 45,000, whichever is less. So that is important. So which is less now? So 45,000 is less. Okay, or yeah, right, 45,000, whichever is less. So which is less? 45,000. So that is the limit. Okay, now we have to give, okay, 100%, which is 100% donation. So 100% donation is family planning. So how much it is? 12,000, right? 12,000 into 100%. So that is 12,000 outer column. Then on balance amount, it is how much? It is 50%. So 100% we have given, it's only for family planning. So on the remaining amount you have to give 50%. Now how to give 50%? So 50% is, first you have to take the limit, that is 45,000 is the limit, right? Then we have given 100% for family planning, deduct that. So what is the remaining amount here? Is 33,000. Okay, so 30,000, 33,000 into 50%. So how much it is? So it is outer column you write down 16,500. Now total donation you write it outer column. Total it. So 12,000 plus 16,500 plus in the previous slide it is 42,000. Right. Only this you total because we have done the total. So total of A is 42,000, then total of B is 12,000 plus 16,500, that is 28,500. So total how much it comes? 70,500. Then there is another deduction. So how many deductions are over? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then fifth one, I'll write it here. Fifth one, 80 GGC. It is for donation to political party. How much? So 100% is eligible, so 5,000. Write it directly outer column 5,000. So now total all the donations. Okay, total all the donations. So how much is the total? So you can write it outer column total of all, that is 1 lakh. Total deductions. So total deduction is total it everything 5,000, 70,500 and 10,000, then yes 45,000. So total is 1,21,500 is the total. So therefore total income of Mr. Kiran is how much? Deduct the donation, deduct the deductions. 9,28,500 is the total deduction. So this is the total income of Mr. Kiran. So what we have done? So first we have taken the gross total income. So once again I'll repeat, gross total income 10,50,000. So after that what you have to do is deduct the deductions. So there will be so many deductions. Here it is only 5 deductions are there. So ATC 10,000, write it outer column. Then medical insurance eligible amount is 25,000. So ATC eligible amount 1,50,000. Here it is only 10,000. ATD eligible amount is 25,000. Here it is only 20,000. Then ATE eligible amount is no limit, but we can claim up to 8 years. So it's 16,000. Then donations there is without limit donations, then with limit. So without limit donations there are 50% and 100%. So Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund is 50% without limit, so we get 10,000. Then National Children Fund, National Foundation for Communal Harmony, then National Blood Transfusion Council, all 100%. So total it, then so we'll get 42,000 without limit donations. Then we have gone for with limit donations. We have to calculate the limit first. So before that we have to write all the donations, notified church, government hospital and family planning. So total is 45,000. Either this is the limit or 10% of adjusted total income, whichever is less. So we have to calculate the adjusted total income. So we have calculated here 10,50,000 is the total gross total income. Then in that we have to minus long term capital gain, short term capital gain, they all the deduction from ATC to ATU except ATG. So we have got 8,99,000 as adjusted total income. In that 8,89,000 we have to take only 10%. So 89,900 or 45,000, whichever is less. Which is less? So 45,000 is less. So we have to give now donations. So first we have to give 100% donation, that is family planning only. So 100%. Then on remaining amount 50%. So for 45,000 minus 12,000, we have already given here 12,000. So remaining amount is 33,000 into 50%, 16,500. So total donations eligible deduction is 70,500. Then fifth one is donation to a political party 5,000. So total deductions available is 1,21,500. Then total of income of Mr. Kiran is 9,28,500. So I hope you understood this problem, so you can work out all the problems in the future. Thank you.